In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your PlayStation Network account to your Rockstar Games account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you cannot actually do this directly within GTA 5 if it is not your first time launching the game. If it's your first time launching the game, when you sign in, you're going to automatically, link those two accounts. That being said, if that's not the case for you, or maybe your PlayStation is like a second platform, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of GTA 5 online, open up a web browser of your choice, whether it's on a phone, PC, console browser, it doesn't necessarily matter. Essentially, just go to rockstargames.com. Once you're on rockstargames.com, go ahead and select the profile icon up in the top right and select sign in just like so. Once you do sign in, you're going to see all these different options pop up. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and you're going to see specifically a tab on here for account. Select that, and in this section, you're going to want to select settings just like so, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Go to the linked account section right here, scroll down until you see PlayStation Network, and essentially just go ahead and select linked here and then sign into your account. Now I'm already signed in, which is why it is just saying unlink for me, but this is what you're going to want to do if you want to link your two accounts. Just make sure that you confirm at the very bottom. And if you do have GTA 5 open, you are going to have to go in and restart GTA 5 before you actually see those two accounts linked together. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.